Hey guys, today's video is going to be an Ulta haul. Went to Ulta specifically to get my birthday gift because my birthday is on Tuesday, the 26th. So I wanted to get my birthday gift. So I guess I'll show you guys that first. So this year the birthday gift, the birthday gift is a NYX Lip Lingerie Liquid Lipstick. Looks like this. I got the color French Maid, and it's actually really pretty. I got some face masks. I got the Freeman Brightening Green Tea and Orange Blossom Peel Off Mask. I've never tried this one before. Ooh, that smells really good. Ooh, what is this hair doing? What is this? What are you doing? What are you doing? Get in line. And then I got my Cucumber Peel Off Face Off Mask. Face mask. Peel Off Face mask, Cucumber, Freeman's, one of my favorite masks ever. Love it. I had to get another one because I'm almost out. And then I got this mask. This is the Ulta Beauty 24K Magic Metallic Peel Off Mask. I got the rose gold one. I might do like face mask videos on my channel. Maybe like Face Mask Friday. Is that a thing? It's got to be a thing. Someone's already got to be doing it. I already do mascara Monday. Maybe we'll do Face Mask Friday. Comment down below and let me know if that's something you want to see. But yeah, I've been wanting to get this guy for a while, but I've been kind of hesitant because it's 15 bucks. My Freeman masks are like $3 or $4 and I love them. So I finally got it and I'm excited to have my face be rose gold. If you haven't noticed, I prefer peel off masks as opposed to wash off masks. I don't know. I just like peeling them off. Okay, I'm just randomly pulling things out of the bag. This guy I think is going to be too light. I actually ordered this from the Ulta website. It is the Revolution. Is this called Makeup Revolution or Revolution Makeup? I don't know, but I got their full coverage foundation and I think it's going to be too light. I ordered it on the website. I already told you that. What color is this? This is F2. It looks really light. But I've heard good things about this. I saw somebody recently talk about this on YouTube and I don't remember who it was, but they raved about it and I wanted to try it out. So I got it. I got this random nail polish from Essie. This is just a color that I've been wanting for a while. It's called Let It Glow and it's so pretty. I'm actually going to paint my nails this color tonight. The hair is so bad. I've got like cuts on my hands. Like I'm just brutal with my hands. Okay, I got some mascaras. How many did I get? I got 3 mascaras. So I'm excited to try these out in future Mascara Monday episodes. The first one that I got is from Catrice. This is the Preta Volume Smoky Mascara. Catrice is like a super affordable brand. So yeah, I saw that they were at my Ulta and I wanted to try this out. And it was like $5, I think. Okay, then I got the NARS Climax Mascara, but I got a little travel size because I didn't want to pay, I think it's like 28 bucks for the full size. I wanted to try it out first. So I got that guy. And then I also got, what is this one again? Oh yeah, the Urban Decay Troublemaker Mascara. This is, again, a little travel size. Didn't want to spend the money on it unless it was worth it. So look for those Mascara Monday episodes coming soon. Random ColourPop shadow. I don't know. I ordered it from the website. This is in the color Sailor. I've been on a ColourPop kick lately. Ulta Beauty Watermelon Lip Scrub. I don't know. I just thought it looked good. I don't know. I wanted a new lip scrub. Oh, it smells so good. Even though I love my Milani Keep It Sweet Sugar Lip Scrub. This stuff is amazing. But yeah, I wanted to get like a summer lip scrub and I felt like watermelon was the perfect summer vibe. So this is the last thing before lip products. I randomly saw this at the little like travel size stands that they have before the checkout. And I don't know, it sounded amazing and I'm seriously so obsessed with this stuff. I will for sure be buying the bigger version when I run out of this. It's the Biolage All-in-One Coconut Infusion Multi-Benefit Spray. So I remember growing up, I used Biolage like sometimes. I feel like Biolage has been around for a while because I'm talking about when I was like in middle school and that was a long time ago. My mom used to buy Biolage like here and there and I used to use it and it was amazing. It smelled amazing. So this is like a total throwback to my childhood. But I freaking love this stuff. It smells amazing. It makes my hair so soft. This little travel size I want to say was like 10 or 15 bucks. So the full size is probably like 30, but it's totally worth it. That's what it looks like. The rest, I've got lip products. Again, this was at the little checkout stand thing, travel size area. This is the Buxom Look at Me Lips Best Sellers. These are little mini glosses in the color Celeste and Hot Toddy. Got an Almay lipstick. I don't know. I think I've tried an Almay mascara before, but that's pretty much it. So this was on sale on their website. I think it was like $2. I'm like, hey, let's try it out. So it's the Almay hashtag lip vibes in the color Go Wild. So the packaging has like wild animals on it. Really cute. And then the color, oh yes, I like it. Really pretty. Let's watch it. Oh yes, 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 yes. Smells like a lipstick. I got a new lip gloss from NYX. This is the NYX Candy Slick Glowy Lip Color. I got the color Sugar Coated Kiss. They had some crazy colors. And this was like the most like normal looking one, or like the one that I would most likely wear. How pretty is this packaging? I love it. So yeah, got this guy. Oh my gosh, it smells like candy. Oh, this is like very similar to the lipstick. Ooh, I like it though. Yay, focus. There we go. Got this guy from Revlon. Holy shitballs. Okay, I randomly saw this display. I don't know, they had like a bunch of products in this like pretty purple packaging, but this is the Revlon Lip Glow Jelly in Psychic Power. Okay, I'm gonna put this on my lips because you guys are gonna be like, holy shit. Hold on, let me swatch it first and see if it comes off. Yes, you can tell by the swatch that it's like amazing. All right, but I'm gonna put this on my lips right now. I wore this like alone when I first bought it. I like got home and put it on my lips like by itself, and it looked like, I don't know, like I was from the 80s. Like it was just metallic, shiny. It's a lot more subdued when it's like over a color, but like totally more wearable, and I love it. Also from Catrice, Prisma Lip Glaze Metallic Glow in the color Princess Peach. Really pretty. I don't know what it is about me and metallic lips. I don't know. Oh, that's so pretty. And the last thing that I got is from Morphe. I've never tried anything from Morphe before, but I saw that my Ulta finally had it, so I was like, yeah, what can I try? That'll be like a safe bet. I chose one of their lip glosses in the color Shimmy. I feel like I've heard maybe Jaclyn Hill talk about this. I don't know. I feel like I've heard somebody talk about this. But this is what it looks like. It looks pretty. So we'll see. Where are we gonna go? We're gonna go right there. Oh, that's pretty. It's very similar to the Catrice one, except maybe like a little bit more orange. Doesn't really smell. Can you see it right there? This was pretty affordable too. I thought Morphe was kind of expensive, but I mean, this was $9. I feel like that's affordable for a lip gloss. So yeah, that's everything that I got at Ulta. If you guys are interested in any of these products, I will link them down below. But that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.